Hi everybody, this is Kurt from the Kurt Winners YouTube channel, dedicated to bringing you advice about collecting cars and preserving these wonderful machines. Today I have my friend Dimitri. Dimitri, say hi to the camera.
Hi.
And Dimitri, tell us what you're driving today.
This is a Smart 4.2 electric.
And what year is it?
14.
2014. All right. So the plan for today is to put the Z car against the Smart car in a drag race. Now, this is private property, so we are on a closed course. And remember, do not try this at home. Let me go hop in the Z and let's get started.